Welcome to this video lecture on the subject optical and microwave engineering. So in this lecture we are going to discuss about FTTH, it is fiber to the home. So fiber to the home is an broadband internet connection technology where we need high speed and high bandwidth data. So we use optical fiber cables to transmit data directly from internet service providers to the end user's home. So it gives the uninterrupted high speed internet service. So it is an optical fiber communication technology. So it consists of a central optical line transmitter and also optical network terminals at different uses. So what are the components of FTTH? So it consists of optical fiber, so which is used for transmitting the data using light signal, and it uses direct connection. So it provides the fiber optic connection directly from the service provider's network to the subscriber's home, and high speed and bandwidth. So it offers higher speed and bandwidth compared to traditional technologies, and enabling faster download and online gaming, video streaming, etc. And what is the need, why we use fiber to the home technology? Because it gives more information carrying capacity for the users. For every user we can get a high speed internet, so it easily upgradable and easy to install it every user's place, and also it allows fully symmetric services, and it is used for very long distances, and it very safe and secure for data and lower cost. And what are the different networks available in fiber to the home? There are two common systems, one is active optical network and another one is passive optical network. So first one, active optical network. So it is the arrangement as point to point network structure where we use optical network terminals at different user ends which is connected to the active network. It means it has its own dedicated fiber optical line terminated on optical concentrator. So it consists of routers and regenerators, amplifiers, etc. So it is transmitted to terminals, user terminals directly. Next is the optical passive network. So it uses fiber and passive components like optical splitters. So here we don't use any active component like amplifier, repeaters, etc. So here we use only optical splitters. So the optical signal is transmitted to the individual user through optical splitters. So it can be connected only for short distance communication because it does not include any amplifiers or generator. So it provides a very short distance communication compared to active network. Active network is used for long distance transmission. So it here passive network supports only fewer terminals, which is the cost effective system. So passive optical network is the multi-point network. Here fiber optic stands for portions of the network. So the one fiber optic strand, it is shared between the portion, and passive optical system is a single fiber from central office optical line terminal is connected to optical network terminal. So it does not include any regenerator and amplifier. So why FTTH? Both AON and PON networks provide feasible solutions for FTTH network connection. So it has demands for greater bandwidth increases. And the comparison between active optical network and passive optical network. So for active network subscribers, bandwidth is dedicated to each individual without sharing the bandwidth, and higher bandwidth per port is possible through AON. So it is easier to detect the fiber faults and problems in active network. So this is used for a long distance transmission compared to PON. So it requires active equipment to manage the signal transmission, which means the power supply and potentially higher cost. So active network is higher cost compared to passive network. So let's take the assessment. So which of the following is a key advantage of FTTH over traditional DSL or cable internet? It is high speed and bandwidth. And what is the function of optical network unit in FTTH network? So it customer side device which converts the optical signal to electrical signal. So thank you for listening this lecture.